Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do a factory restore in your HME Ion IQ base station, that is base 6100. Now, question is, why would you need to do a factory restore? You will need to do a factory restore when the base station is acting up, the software gets corrupt, or someone changes the settings to the point that you cannot figure out what the original settings were. That's when you need to factory restore the base stations. Before you do the factory restore, keep in mind that doing so will factory reset the unit, and it will change all your store settings such as opening hours, closing hours, special messages, special announcements, recordings, lane settings, if it's a single lane, dual lane, every single thing needs to be redone, including type of the microphone, speaker, and all that. So be careful. This isn't something that you want to play around with. You only do it when you must do it. And here's how we do it. The first thing we need to do is we need to log in as administrator or installer in this case. In order to do that, this is how we proceed. Let me bring this to the center so you can see better. Click on Menu, click on More, click on Installer Setup, enter the password. The password will be given to you by HME Regional Office or the installer who installed it. I can't give away the password on YouTube. You have to be authorized in order to do this. Alright, so here's how we proceed after we enter the password. To enter the password, once the password is given to you, you simply play with these two buttons to change numbers. For example, if the password is ABC, you go A, and then you go to the right, and then you go B, you press this to the right, and you go C. The password has to be 4 digits. So let's say ABC1, for example. Then you go, C, then to the right, and you press this all the way to 1. So up and down will change the letters and numbers, and then you press continue. Now if I press continue, that's the wrong password. It's not going to work. Invalid password. Try again. So now I'm going to enter the correct password and proceed by pressing continue, but I can't give away the password unless I know you're the store manager or the owner of the base station. Okay, so I entered the correct password, and now I'm in the installer setup page. In order to do a factory restore, I go to More and then press Restore Defaults. Click that again. It will ask you, are you sure? Pressing default will change all settings back to factory default. Are you sure? You click default. And voila. The unit will restart with the factory default settings. Okay, it will restart, and it will only take like 5 to 10 seconds to come back to the default window. Alright. So now it restored, factory restored, everything is off. It's normal, so you have to do all the settings again. This is how it factory restores. Okay, I hope this was educational. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.